passcode or a Face ID are probably the two most secure ways to lock your iPhone. But what if you forget the iPhone passcode you had set? Or haven't yet set up the Face ID on your newly bought iPhone? Maybe a friend accidentally used your phone's Face ID and it got locked. If you want to know how to unlock an iPhone without Face ID or a passcode, there are several methods you can explore. Unlock your iPhone without a passcode or Face ID via iCloud. You can also unlock your iPhone via iCloud. But you should have enabled the Find My app and the location before on your phone. Then take the following steps. 1. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID and password. 2. From the iCloud menu, select the Find iPhone option. 3. Click All Devices and look for your locked iPhone. 4. Select your iPhone and hit Erase iPhone. 5. Hit Erase once again and enter your Apple ID and password to confirm. Unlock an iPhone without a passcode or Face ID with Find My app. You can unlock your iPhone without a passcode or Face ID without a computer by using the Find My app. But you should know the Apple ID and password to your locked iPhone and have another iPhone or iPad handy. Here's how. 1. Download and open the Find My app on the other iOS device. 1. Log in with the Apple ID and password of your locked iPhone. 2. Click Devices, and select your locked iPhone. 3. Click on Erase this device and click Continue when you see a prompt. 4. Then, type your phone number and enter messages if you want, these will appear on the screen after erasing the device. 4. Next, tap on Erase. 5. Finally, enter the Apple ID and password connected to the iPhone again and click on Erase. Unlock an iPhone without a passcode or Face ID by calling Apple support. If you're not comfortable using these methods to unlock your iPhone yourself, you call Apple support and talk to an Apple advisor or visit an offline Apple store to take help in unlocking your iPhone. Your probable recommendation would be to try using the official iTunes method.